Alright, well, Joyce and I are going down to the levee, and it's been a while since I've been down there. Last time was October 3rd as a Catholic schoolgirl I flew at. So anyway, and that was on land. So I'm going to be on the ocean today. It's pretty windy. So the wind chart is saying some wind between 18 to 43 to 44 miles an hour. I have no idea what it is really because of what's out here until I get there. But what are your thoughts, Joyce, after your knee replacement too, of why I couldn't fly for all this time as well?
Well, because you had to take care of me and help me and get me to my doctor's appointments after having a bilateral knee replacement done in December, just before Christmas.
Yes.
So it's kind of good to get back on the water again.
Yeah. After all this time, so. And then me too, on my ribs as well, after I had flown, it knocked my ribs loose. So I was able to have Joyce, my wife, step on me, and I was able to stretch out where I ripped in half years ago on 37.5 feet over the ocean.